for the soup. And this one, the matcha, red dates, the dried scallops, and the matcha for brown dates, and the dried tangerine peel, and also here the extra one, and the dried oyster. Dried oyster is for the soup. And this one is the sugar cane, rock sugar cane. And of course, this is we have here dato puti, chili with vinegar. My boss bought in the Philippine product in near their office. So, and this is the oyster sauce. Hello guys, today is January 2, 2021. So I'm going to share to you what is inside my boss refrigerators. They have 2 refrigerators, so I want you to let and see what is inside these 2. And this one is almost finish all the foods, this first, and this is the also got more foods inside. So let's see guys. Open it. Wow, so all the foods is done or finished last January or before Christmas. So this is what in here, and I just clean up today. And also this is the vegetable compartment, all is done cooking, and today we'll buy again. And let's proceed for this door of the ref. This is the different foods also hanging here, and the Japan eggs, and also these are the different sauces. This one, this is the for the sauces of foods. And let's proceed to the frozen. This is the frozen. Have so many full of frozen in here, different kinds of meat. Have beef, meat or ground meat, beef, and also this is the rice. And this is the full of my boss bought before New Year. So we have so many different kinds of. This is the knuckle pig, and for the soup, and the meat, spare ribs, and all of that. And also, and just proceed to another one, another ref. Wow, this is full guys. This is the chicken, whole chicken, and all the scallop, pressed scallop, and the other for used to hot pot, and the shrimps. And this is the Japan noodles and the meatballs. And this is the for the hot pot for the fish cake, like that. And also some of here also in the door top. This is the bacon smoke, and the sweet, and also some of here, and also the chili, red chili. And now we have to go to proceed to down. Yes, this is the so we start first to this door, and these are the sauces, and these all the beans for using the fried vegetable for this one, dried shrimps, and the rock sugar, and the pop white beans for the soup, and this one, the matcha, red dates, the dried scallops, and the matcha for brown dates, and the dried tangerine peel, and also here the extra one, and the dried oyster. Dried oyster is for the soup, and this one is the sugar cane, rock sugar cane, and of course this is we have here dato puti, chili with vinegar. My boss bought in the Philippine product in near their office. So, and this is the oyster sauce. And now let's proceed to this one. This is also some, I kept coconut milk and some dried fish cake. And these are the beans for using the soup. This is the dried lychee for the soup, and all is here. And proceed to this lower layer. So these are the spicy sauces. This one, and the white or yellow fungus for the soup. And this is this one for soup also. It's from Korean. They carry tin like a paper for, this is the squid, dried squid, and this is the yummy one for the soup. And this is the from Philippines, the dried squid for the soup also. Sometimes I put. And this is the Japan mushroom, dried Japan mushroom. And also this drawer compartment is, these are all the expensive dried medicine herbal soup. This one is already mixed and packed. And this is the dried seaweeds from Japan or Korean, also have like that. And this is the extra squid dried, and all here is more different kinds of seaweed for soup. And that's all, guys. Thanks for watching for my boss stocks foods, and I hope you enjoy. And thank you. Bye.